through the Communications and Public Relations Office at Bicol University General Administration Support and Services Conference Room, Ricardo A. Bonta Building. I am Abiel Gemma Bainsa, and I will be the host for today. Welcome to the virtual signing of the General Bilateral Agreement on International Cooperation and Reception meeting between Bicol University Philippines and National Quemoy University Taiwan. Foremost, may I invite the officials of Bicol University and National Quemoy University to introduce themselves. Let us first begin with the provost from Bicol University, followed by the provost from National Quemoy University. May we have Dr. Nolly Mascarenhas.
Thank you very much, Abby. Dr. Shen Min Chen, President of National Quemoy University, other officials of the National Quemoy University, Team Bicol University, good morning. It's my great pleasure and privilege to be part of this significant partnership with National Quemoy University Taiwan. I am happy to welcome to the roster of Bicol University's partners, our friends from National Quemoy University, who joins us today for this virtual signing of the General Bilateral Agreement on International Cooperation and Inception meeting. We are at the forefront of this continuing struggle to survive this pandemic and somehow create a semblance of normalcy. It's not easy to continue embarking on the path towards internationalization as we bear the brunt of the COVID-19 global health crisis. But our prospects are getting better and hope is always present as we have started for our students. We hope that with this development and the continuing support for the international projects coming from reliable and productive partners like your institution, we could get back on the right track in terms of fielding our faculty and students through knowledge generation and technology transfer by way of collaborative projects in research, extension, and instruction. We look forward to a promising partnership with you and rest assured that from our end, we will be an equally great partner who is willing to find ways for both our interests and advocacies to be supported. Thank you, and once again, good morning.
Thank you very much, Dr. Arnulfo Mascarenhas, our university president, for the message. So I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dimson Moral Rivero, and I am the International Relations Office of Bicol University. And I am going to I'll be working closely with Dr. Yvonne for the purpose of intensifying our internationalization initiatives for both universities. Thank you and good morning. May I also call on to introduce the provost of the Bicol University. May we start with Dr. Ami De Rosan. Ma'am Ami.
Yes, good morning. I'm Amelia De Rosan. I'm the Vice President for Academic Affairs, and we are most grateful for this wonderful opportunity to tie up with the National Quemoy University of Taiwan through a general bilateral agreement on international cooperation. So we would like to welcome you all to our beloved Bicol University here in Legazpi City, Albay, where the Mayon volcano is. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Annie. Now let us have Attorney Joseph Bartolata.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone. I am Joseph L. Bartolata, the Vice President for Administration and Finance. And I express also my commitment to this endeavor. I am pleased to meet you all. Good morning.
Thank you very much, Attorney Bartolata. Now we have Dr. Louis Amana.
Good morning. I am Luis Amano, the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. Glad to meet you all. Welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Luis. Now let us have Dr. Leticia Lopez.
Mabuhay. Good morning, everyone. I am Leticia M. Lopez, the Dean of Bicol University, College of Arts and Letters, Legazpi City, Philippines.
Thank you very much, Dr. Leti. And now may I call on Dr. Amelia Gonzalez. Please introduce yourself, Professor Jocelyn Serrano.
Oh, nakamute. Nakamute ka, Joy? Okay, nakamute ka, nakamute.
Take two. Good morning. I am Jocelyn E. Serrano from the College of Science. I am pleased to meet you all. Thank you for this partnership.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy. Now let us listen to Dr. Irene Moral.
Maray na aga sa Indogabos. Good morning, everyone. I'm very pleased to meet the officials of National Quemoy University.
Thank you, Ma'am Irene. Let us also have Professor Lee.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. I am Professor Liliosa Simalasa, the Associate Dean of the College of Arts and Letters. I am happy to be witnessing this eventful happening and international cooperation between your university and ours. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Lily. May I now call on Professor Dr. Romel Evan Pahe.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Maray na aga. We are all very excited for this partnership. We are looking forward for a positive partnership nurturing our advocacies towards instruction, production, research, and extension. Good morning.
Thank you. May I now invite Dr. Yvonne to call on the Provost of National Quemoy University for their self-introduction.
Okay, so good morning, everyone, dear colleagues from Bicol University. Firstly, I would like to introduce our leader, that is Dr. Chen Jianming. Wait a minute. Okay.
Hi, everyone. Our staff and professors from Bicol University. Nice to meet you all.
Okay, and then Mr. Zheng Daxing. Okay, Daxing, are you here?
Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Gatsby. I'm the Director of International Cooperation and Exchange. It's my privilege to join this ceremony, and we hope that we have more cooperation in the future. Thank you all.
Okay, next we have Dr. Feng Xueming.
Hello, everyone. I'm Xueming Feng. I from the College of University. The College of Science and Engineering, and I'm very happy to join this meeting. The College of Science and Engineering, the teaching priorities and objectives are to improve the life of local research and academic research, emerging and technology, education power. I hope to enhance the science and the technology academic research emerging about the wonderful meeting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And then next we have Dr. Xu Yumin.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Xu Yumin, and I am the Director of Translanguage Center, OICA, National Quemoy University. I'm very delighted to be here to meet you all. Thank you very much.
Okay, and then it's me. You can call me Yvonne. I'm the Dean of the International Office and also a professor at the Business Department. So I'll give the time back to Abigail.
Thank you very much, sirs and madam. And also thank you very much, Dr. Yvonne, for calling your the provost of National Kimo University. So to guide us in this meeting, in this undertaking, let us stay silent for a while as we invoke the presence of our Lord.
Lord, as we begin today, we ask freshness of your Spirit, that out of confused issues may come simplicity of plan, that out of fear may come confidence, that out of hurry may come deliberation, that out of frustration may come guidance. Let us get to our work, not head first, but heart first. May we be able to disagree without being disagreeable, to differ without being difficult, to be honest without tension, and frank without offense, in an atmosphere of team spirit. Amen.
At this juncture, may I give the virtual podium to the ever-supportive Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. De Rosan, for the welcome remarks.
Ni hao. Good morning to everyone. We are so much grateful for this wonderful opportunity given to Bicol University to participate in this general bilateral agreement, which is the virtual signing for today. And hopefully, we will be able to come up with a wonderful cooperation on the services that we are giving to our students. So today, I am most honored to welcome you all to this wonderful and pleasant morning from Bicol University in today's event. The virtual signing of the General Bilateral Agreement on International Cooperation and the inception meeting that will follow after the GBA signing between Bicol University here in Albay, Philippines, and the National Kimo University of Taiwan. In behalf of Bicol University and our officials headed by our beloved President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, I welcome you all, the officials of the National Kimo University, Dr. Chin Min Chen, the President of the National Kimo University, Dr. Yvonne Yu Fang Yen, the Dean of the Office of International and Cross-Strait Affairs, Dr. Ta Xing Cheng, the Director of the Office of International Exchange and Cooperation, Dr. Xuan Ming Hong, the Dean of the College of Science and Engineering, Dr. Yu Min Su, the Director of Chinese Language Center. And also today, we would like to warmly welcome the officials of Bicol University, headed, of course, by our beloved President, the Sub-President 4 of Bicol University, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, our Vice Presidents who are here with us today, Attorney Joseph Bartolata, our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Louis Amano, the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, and our Deans, Dr. Leticia M. Lopez of the College of Arts and Letters, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez of the College of Engineering, Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano of the College of Science, Dr. Irene R. Moral, the Director of the Bicol University Language Center, Professor Liliosa C. Malasa, the Associate Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, the Associate Dean of the College of Engineering, Engineer Rolando M. Dacilio, the Associate Dean of the College of Science, Dr. Romel Ivan J. Pahe, and of course, our Director of the International Relations Office, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. So indeed, this is a wonderful opportunity for us to be able to move forward in our cooperation after the virtual signing. And we too hope that our action today will bring better universities with our cooperation. So thank you very much, Cheche, and good morning.
Thank you very much, Dr. Annie, for your warm words of welcome. A moment ago, we already have heard the message of Bicol University's highly esteemed President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascarenhas. We may now hear from the National Quemoy University, Dr. Chen Minchen.
校长要开麦克风，校长麦克风。
Okay, thank you. Good morning, President Mascarenhas and all honored professors and staff from Bicol University in Philippines. I'm the president of National Quemoy University in the Republic of China on Taiwan. It's my privilege to address welcome to our honored partners from BU and to express on behalf of all faculty of NQU our profound and sincere gratitude to you all. As you may know, our university, NQU, is a public and government-supported higher educational institution established on Jinmen Island. You know, Jinmen is a very special island located only 3 kilometers away from Xiamen, China. And NQU is a newly established university in 1997. So we are eager to build up relationship with all well-known universities around the globe. That is what we did during the past 24 years. Right now, NQU has 4 colleges, 12 research institutes, and 17 departments. The student number is more than 4,200. Our goal is to build NQU to be a modernized university with fine quality academically and internationally. We always welcome students, researchers, teachers, and staffs from BU to come and visit Jinmen. We also welcome all interested researchers in various sectors of study to cooperate and undertake significant and major projects together at both our universities. NQU is striving to play its role in opening up to the world through academic, cultural, and educational exchanges. I do believe that today's online signing ceremony sets a good example and will be a big step for our future cooperation. I'm looking forward to our constant exchanges and cooperation in the not too distant future. Thank you all for joining the online signing ceremony. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Chen. We received a very important message from the National Quemoy University. So we will already proceed to the virtual signing of the virtual signing ceremonies of the General Bilateral Agreement. So Before we proceed to the signing of the GBA, may I first give the virtual podium to Dr. Rivero to explain the coverage of this partnership.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Abby, for giving us the prompt that we will proceed first with the signing, the ceremonial signing of the General Bilateral Agreement between Bicol University, Philippines, and of course the National Chemo University in Taiwan. Okay, our scope of cooperation will actually focus on 5 areas. We have the exchange of scholars, like professors, researchers, administrative staff, and students. And it covers actually the faculty exchange. It also covers exchange of researchers, exchange of administrative staff, and of course, students exchange programs. Aside from that, we are also trying to get into the creation of a dual degree programs. Then the third area is on the exchange of academic information, documentation, materials, researches, and of course, publication. And then the fourth area will focus on the development of joint research programs, where both parties will work together on a cooperative research on related topics of common interests. Such collaborative research venture will also involve exchange visits. And of course, the creation and organization of other joint initiatives to which both parties agree, like training courses, seminars, fora, conferences, congresses, symposia, and the like. So with that, may I now call on Ma'am Abby Abainza for the signing, to facilitate the signing of the General Bilateral Agreement. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rivera. May I now request everyone to sign the documents that you are holding right now. So, after you have signed the documents, the General Bilateral Agreements, documents that you are signing right now, you may now raise the document you have signed for the photo opportunity. Okay, so please don't cover your face because we want you to be seen in the camera.
So shall we show our signing again, our paper document again, and we can take a picture?
All right, thank you very much, everyone. Now let us proceed to the presentation of the brief profile of the respective universities. We have the Director of the International Relations Office for Bicol University and Mr. Ta Xing Cheng, Director of Office of International Exchange and Cooperation for National Quemoy University. Dr. Rivero.
Thank you very much, Abby. Allow me to share my screen. Okay, so it is my honor to introduce to you Bicol University. I am going to present the Bicol University Profile of Excellence. Okay. Okay, good morning, everyone. You can see there our very beautiful Mayon volcano. It is actually one of the strato volcano, an active volcano in one of the strato active volcanoes in the Philippines that stands about like 7,800 feet in height. And that's very near to our place. It's the world's perfect cone volcano ever known. So, okay, so Bicol University. The profile of excellence of Bicol University, we are actually a comprehensive university. Like we are a state university in the province of the Bicol region, and in the province of Albay in Bicol region. And BU as a comprehensive university is an institution of higher learning, complete with research facilities, teaching facilities, and we have a wide array of academic offerings from the basic education department until the baccalaureate degree courses. Then we also offer masteral courses or the postgraduate and the graduate studies program. Then Bicol University is also an ISO certified university. We are also a leading university at the same time and a QS Star rank university. As a leading university in the Philippines, we are actually doing well when it comes to the trifocal mandates of our Commission on Higher Education. This is the Ministry of Education of the Philippines. We are doing well in research, teaching, or what we call academics or education. And of course, the last mandate for our university is to do social engagement or extension services. We are also an ISO certified, and most just so recent, we got the 3-star rating from the Quacquarella Simons, as we have the 3-star QS rank as a QS star rank university. Okay, aside from that, we also have like 7 campuses, and all across 7 campuses, we have over 21,000 students enrolled officially in our university. We also have 629 teaching personnel, and of course 339 administrative staff. We also have 3 institutes, 13 colleges, 59 departments, and 66 accredited programs. Aside from that, we have 99 baccalaureate courses, 44 masteral courses, 8 doctoral courses, and of course, we have the 2 dual degree programs. This is actually a collaborative venture between Bicol University and the University of Liverpool in UK. And we have this Master of Science in Advanced Biological Sciences, which is actually offered in Bicol University for a year. And we also have the Master of Science in Sustainable Food Systems, where our students got to have the chance to go to United Kingdom, particularly in Liverpool, the University of Liverpool, for a year to study. So that's one of our dual degree programs offered in our university. Aside from that, we are also a Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, and Center of Development in Fisheries Education. We are a nationally recognized university in the Philippines. In fact, we also have like 6 research centers as a research and public service university. We have the Regional Center for Science and Mathematics Education. We also have the Center for Technology, Commercialization, and Enterprise Development. We are also the Center for Gender and Development, and we have the Center for Peace Studies and Development. We have the Regional Center for the Food Safety and Quality Assurance, and of course, we are the Center for Teaching Education. As a top performing university, we're doing well in the licensure examinations in the Philippines, and these are among our flagship programs. particularly in the engineering courses. We have mining, chemical, mechanical, electrical engineering, agricultural, geodetic, and of course, civil engineering. And we're also doing well in health education as far as midwifery and the College of Nursing. We have also good licensure performance in the social works, accountancy, architecture, chemistry, secondary education, and a lot more. So these are among our flagship programs. We are also doing well with our arts and letters and communications as well. Aside from that, we, as a globally competitive university, we have, as of the moment, we have 44 international partners from 3 continents in Europe, North America, and Asia. And we have 17 countries. The 44 international partners are coming from 17 countries. Such to state, we have Belgium, France, or friends from Germany. We also have partners from Poland, Finland, United Kingdom, Russia, Spain, United States of America, Turkey, China, Japan, South Korea, Bangladesh, India, Taiwan, of course, and of course in Indonesia. Okay. As a state-of-the-art university, the infrastructure development is underway under the leadership of our university president. We have a lot of infrastructure development programs and projects ongoing, and that is our trust for infrastructure development in our university. And of course, lastly, Bicol University is serious when it comes to promoting a responsive and efficient academic governance, enhancing the resource endowment of the university, offering market-driven and relevant academic programs, strengthening the foundation of research, development, and extension, developing a critical mass of top universities, top students and outstanding faculty in the university, and of course, modernizing infrastructure facilities. Indeed, Bicol University is a world-class university producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development. To end my presentation of Bicol University's profile of excellence, allow me to share with you the video, just a few minute clip of the university. So you have a virtual tour in our university. Hopefully, if once the pandemic is over, Dr. Yvonne and her team can come over to Bicol University and spend a weekend or two, so that you'll get to know our culture, you'll get to know our, culture of excellence in the university as well. Okay, thank you, Abby. With that, thank you very much. Sao Shang Hao, Xie.
谢谢 thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rivera. Now may I give the virtual podium to Mr. Cheng.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gatsby. I'm the Director of International Exchange and Cooperation. Okay, it's my privilege to introduce my school, National Kumho University, briefly. Here, I would like to briefing National Kumho University with my PowerPoint. This is our president, Dr. Chen Jianming. And we always give our students 5 reasons from A to E for them to come to Kingman for their college. For example, affordable tuition, better academic resource and quality, colorful culture, decent scholarship, and excellent future job. As you may know, National Kumho University is a government-supported university. We started from Institute of Technology from 2003. And then in 2010, we were upgraded into a comprehensive university named Kumho University. From 2021, that means last year, now, we just start up our PhD program in the College of Management. So you see, our National Kumho University is a young university. We got 4 colleges in all. It includes College of Humanities and Social Science, College of Management, College of Science and Engineering, and also College of Health and Nursing. The location of Kingman, as you may see on the map, is in between Taiwan and China. And we are so close to mainland China that you can take a ferry. Within 30 minutes, you were in Xiamen. And you can fly to Taiwan in the major city, for example, Taipei, Taichung, Jiayi, Tainan, Kaohsiung. You will arrive in Taiwan within 50 minutes. Okay, so it's actually very convenient for us to go anywhere. And the faculty, the student body in National Kumho University, 70% of them are bachelor program. And the others, totally, it makes 4,244 students here. And in our student body, most of the students comes from Indonesia. And the next, as you may see on the map, there are 65 students from Indonesia and 51 from China. And there are Malaysian, or students from Hong Kong and Macau, and also from Vietnam and Korea. We got two students from Argentina. We got also students from Papua New Guinea and Philippines. Okay. And here you can see the big, beautiful pictures of our campus. All our buildings are built up with the shape or the design of ancient Chinese style. That means orange brick or swallowtail in the roof. Okay, to the upper left, that's the College of Engineering. And to the right, the spatial tower. Okay, that's our library. And in the middle, that's for our gym, gymnasia, gym. It includes a swimming pool inside, an indoor swimming pool. And also down the left, that's College of Health and Nursing. In the middle, that's cafeteria of students. Okay, to the right, the students activity center. As you may know, NQU, National Kumho University, currently offers students exchange opportunity to United States, Japan, Malaysia, Turkey, Germany, Russia, Korea, Hungary, Indonesia, Vietnam, Spain, and Slovakia. And we are so eager to pursue more partnership with other universities around the globe. And students at NQU in their sophomore and junior years, we encourage students to apply for an exchange program and go overseas so that they can cultivate their international mobility with all these unique exchange experiences. And compared with other universities in Taiwan with the similar size, National Kumho University offers a greater opportunities for students to join the exchange programs. And one special program at our school that we do exchange program with domestic excellent university in Taiwan. For example, NTHU, NCKU, NSYSU. That means 清华大学、成功大学、中山大学、中正大学, or one of the most famous school, National Normal University in Taipei, 国立台湾师范大学, etc. All students are eligible to be an exchange student in Taiwan from their sophomore year. Okay, they can go to Taiwan to the other excellent university to experience different atmospheres and learning environment. And we also have 34 top university partnership in China. Most of them are, we say, 985 project or 211 project. If you are familiar with this university system in China, you will know that all these are the top and the most excellent university in China. We encourage students to apply for short-term exchange to China. For example, Nanjing, Sichuan, Chongqing, Jilin, or Lanzhou, etc. Since we are so close to China, I think we encourage students to get to know more about the society, the university, and the students in China. Okay, this is the opportunity for them to get to know students or Chinese in China. Okay, and with the help of our Chinese Language Center, National Kumho University are doing more programs other than exchange program. And Dr. Xu, she is in this meeting too. I will go briefly with the introduction of the center. In this center, we got teachers, professional teachers to teach Mandarin. And we have 4 different kinds of courses. We provide Chinese course, cultural courses, or we teach Chinese course to local immigrant residents. Or even better, we offer online courses for international students abroad. Since, you know, COVID-19 has already changed everything. So for the time being, online courses is one of our options to provide Mandarin courses online to our partner schools overseas. And in our courses, we combine daily life, language learning, cultural learning into our courses. And we encourage students here in Kingman, I mean foreign students, to communicate with local students. And we offer all this program to our partner schools. And this is our website and Facebook. And here is the Taiwan Experience Exchange Program. Here I would like to give the host to our Dean of International Office, Dr. Yan, She will introduce more details for this TEP program.
Okay. Hello. Good morning, everyone. May I borrow a few minutes to introduce Taiwan Experience Education Program? This is a very special program fully sponsored by our government. So this program, just put it short, we pay for students to learn Mandarin. We pay for students to learn Mandarin, and the total scholarship will be almost 3,000 US dollars. And then the whole program will last for 6 months. And then the program, okay, we were here. The program includes internship. So it means that students have to come to Taiwan and stay on our campus, and the dormitory will be free. Students no need to pay anything. So they stay on the campus, and we will find job for them. Okay, we will find job for them on this island, the company near our campus. And then we also offer Mandarin learning courses from Mandarin Learning Center, and that is also free. And the purpose of this program is to bridge students from their previous learning to the future learning at our university. And also we give students professional training, for example, financial management, tourism management courses, okay? And these are all free. Actually, the whole program is supported by our government. That is why students can enjoy learning Mandarin, enjoy their professional business courses freely on this island. And then the purpose of TEP is to improve students' future competitiveness and focus on both tourism and business administration field. So we welcome students who study business or tourism to join this program. And also we prepare students for admissions into NQU to study master program and also even further for PhD. Okay, so that is the TEP program. So here I repeat again, the whole program is paying students to learn Mandarin. Okay, and then we welcome students who are highly motivated. And as we know, learning a foreign language is extremely hard. But we are confident that we can teach students well because we are so experienced in this field. This project has been sponsored by government to our university for 4 years now. For 4 years now. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Gatsby.
Thank you, Dr. Yan. So that's the briefing of our National Quemoy University. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yvonne and Mr. Cheng. And also thank you very much, Dr. Rivero, for your presentations. Okay, so I think that officially seals the partnership between Bicol University Philippines and National Quemoy University Taiwan. Let us give ourselves a big round of virtual applause for this historical event. May I now turn over the virtual podium to the deans and directors involved in this agreement for their words of commitment. Let us start with Dr. Leticia Lopez, the Dean of College of Arts and Letters.
Thank you so much, Ms. Abby. To the officials of the National Quemoy University Taiwan, headed by the University President, Dr. Tiwen Min Chen, officials of Bicol University, headed by Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascarenhas, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. The bilateral agreement on international cooperation and inception meeting is a welcome event in Bicol University, and this is another path to internationalization. We in Bicol University, particularly in the College of Arts and Letters, are strongly committed to the realization of whatever is agreed upon between Bicol University and National Quemoy University, Taiwan. We hope this will lead the way to peace and harmony in our region. Maraming salamat. Diyos mabalos. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Lopez. May we now hear from Dr. Amelia Gonzalez.
Good morning, everyone. To the officials of the University of Quemoy and to the officials of the Bicol University, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for this new path to internationalization. This is a big opportunity for the College of Engineering to do a lot of exchange programs with the Quemoy University. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Looking forward to a more fruitful and productive years with Quemoy University.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gonzalez. Now let us have Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano.
Thank you very much, Abby. To the President of National Quemoy University, Taiwan, Dr. Shen Min Shen, and to our very own President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, to the Head of International and Cross-Strait Affairs, Dr. Yvonne Yufang Yen, and to its counterpart in the university, in the Bicol University, Dr. Dimson Rivero, to all important persons present in this assembly, good morning. The College of Science vows to commit faculty exchange and student exchange programs with NQU. With our student population of almost 1,800, 1,700 are undergraduate students and almost 100 are graduate students taking up Masters in Information Systems and Master of Science in Biology. As the Dean of the College, I commit to work with you, to collaborate with you, and to make extensive research endeavors in the future. So we are a highly passionate and committed college in order for us to achieve the goals of the university. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Jocelyn. It is may I now give the virtual podium to Dr. Irene Morel.
Thank you very much, Ms. Abby. To the officials of National Quemoy University, headed by the President, Dr. Shen Min Shen, officials of Bicol University, headed by our dear President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, my colleagues in government service, good morning. With the world today becoming more interdependent and interconnected, and being challenged by the unexpected changes in the educational landscape wrought by COVID-19 pandemic, we see language as a very essential medium of communicating across cultures, bridging gaps, thinking globally, and understanding better ourselves and our neighbors. The BU Language Center is very grateful for this international engagement and collaboration, as our center is strongly committed to initiating and supporting programs that respond to the emerging and rapidly expanding need for second language skills acquisition and practice. And of course, we are happy to inform National Quemoy University that we are also offering and continuously strengthening our Chinese Mandarin as one of the foreign languages being offered in our undergraduate and graduate levels in support of internationalization. So our center is highly optimistic that with this partnership, we will be able to initiate and support mutually beneficial activities, in all probability with the Chinese Language Center of NQU, headed by Dr. Yu Minshu, my counterpart. Of course, we aim at providing effective cross-cultural second language education and training that give prime importance to learners' needs and contexts and language teachers' expertise. On the part of Bicol University Language Center, of course, we can offer the expertise of our faculty in terms of English teaching and also proficiency in terms of Filipino and Bicol languages. And of course, we would like also to offer learning language side by side with Bicol culture and arts through the College of Arts and Letters, where I also belong. So for this morning, I'd like to thank National Chemo University. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I am very hopeful that we will realize our goals and noble intentions in line with this international engagement and collaboration. And of course, I also would like to thank Bicol University for its continued trust and confidence to the Bicol University Language Center. Diyos mabalos po sa inyong dugabos. Thank you very much. Good morning.
Thank you very much, Dr. Moral. We would also like to hear the words of Dr. Yvonne Yu Fangyan.
Thank you, Ivy. Dear President of Bicol University, Dr. Mascarenhas, and all the colleagues of Bicol University, and also NQU. Very good morning to you all. From your video, I can see your campus, your university is so beautiful. I really hope that I can visit your university soon. Okay, and then again, thank you so much for taking your time to witness this precious moment of the two universities. I'm here to extend my gratitude. NQU has moved toward globalization owing to all the sister schools' support, and also, of course, under the leadership of the two presidents, President Chen. We feel so grateful to be able to learn from your university, also from other international partners. I personally would like to express my gratitude to Bicol University today and hope to build stronger relationship with your university in the near future. As I mentioned in our PPT, that we have this wonderful Taiwan experience and exchange program. And also we welcome faculties to visit our university to be exchange scholars on our campus. And then we also welcome those teachers who are taking their sabbatical to stay on our campus for short-term research. Okay, that is the additional information that I would like to offer. And then the signing ceremony today will be a giant step for us, for the two parties, because then we can start our academic, cultural, and educational exchange immediately. Once again, thank you again for coming to this joyful event. And I believe the border is reopened very soon. And we look forward to meeting you all, the faculties and also the students at National Quemoy University. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yvonne. Now let us listen to Dr. Xuan Mingfong. You may also proceed to your oral presentation after your words of commitment.
那个院长，冯院长在吗？冯院长，那个麦克风没有开。
Let us find him first. Can we move on to Dr. Shi?
Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Xu Yumin, and I'm very glad to be here to meet you all. I'm the director of Chinese Language Center, and it's my honor to be here to join this ceremony. And our language center, the main job of our language center is to take care of foreign students' Chinese language skill. So I can guarantee that if your students came here, we will give them the best Chinese course, and they will improve their Chinese language very quickly. And also, I'm expect that we can have some collaborate with your language center. Maybe it's like we can teach your students Chinese, and maybe you can teach our students English. I think it will be a very, very good opportunity for both of our students. And as you can see in the Gatsby's presentation, that we have 4 types of Chinese course we are offering right now. And one of them is the online international course, online Chinese course. And it's very important right now because of the COVID-19 situation. So now we offer in Chinese online course, and I think it's a very good opportunity for people not in Taiwan or in China to study Chinese. So I think please, if you are interested in that, you can find more information on our website or to have more cooperate and connect with.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yumin Shu. May I now ask Dr. Xuan Mingfong for his words of commitment and oral presentation. Is Dr. Fong?
Okay, sorry, Dr. Fong has stepped out to another meeting, but here I would like to add another information for you, for your reference. Our new TEP program has started to recruit new students for 2022. As soon as we have the latest news or information, we will pass on to Dr. Dinson. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much to the respected deans and directors. Your words of commitment will definitely the future plans in motion. Okay, so may I now give the virtual floor to Dr. Luis O. Omano for the closing remarks.
Thank you, Abby. Thank you. Dr. Chen Thomas of Bicol University. Dignitaries from Bicol, the General Bilateral Agreement between Bicol University and National Quemoy University. This agreement offers an excellent opportunity to expand the educational, research, and training cooperation between our universities, particularly in the field of arts and culture, the sciences, and engineering. Bicol University recognizes the value of these connections, these bridges across borders and across the oceans. I look forward to watching this relationship between our institution grow and flourish over the coming years along the following areas of concern: development of mutually beneficial dual degree academic programs, development of joint research undertakings, exchange of students and faculty, reciprocal assistance of visiting academic documentation, materials researches, and creation of other joint initiatives. I would like to close this program by expressing my gratitude once again to everyone present here today, especially those who have worked tirelessly to make this general bilateral agreement possible. I believe everyone's effort will see fruition in the academic progress and cultural undertakings that this agreement will achieve in the years to come. Thank you very much and good day.
Thank you very much, Dr. Amano. So we shall now end the live streaming of the virtual signing of the General Bilateral Agreement as we move on to the inception meeting. Thank you very much to everyone who joined us and witnessed this momentous event. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
This is the school we wish to sing of a school.